Welcome to the Disciplr Library. We're so excited that you're going to check out everything that Disciplr has to offer you and your ministry. It works a bit different from traditional curriculum, so we wanted to give you a quick overview of what to expect. You see, with traditional curriculum lines, you would have to spend a lot of time researching all of your options and then plunking down a hefty part of your budget hoping that it's a good fit for your ministry. With Disciplr, it's altogether different. With your Disciplr account, you get access to some of the best curated curriculum lines from some of the best publishers in the industry. And they all come included at one price in your package, which is incredible. If you look at the top here, you'll see some of the newest stuff that we have to offer. And as you scroll down, you'll see different curated lines depending on what you might be looking for. You can click on any of these curriculum to see a little bit of details, and then click on any of these links inside to take you directly to the lessons. Spend some time exploring these options, or you can click the Browse All button here at the top and see everything. We know that you're going to love this, so spend some time looking through all your options, and you will find the perfect fit for your ministry here on Disciplr.